Hello guys, today we'll make magic potion and make it explode. Right now I have made green water by pouring 25 ml of water and mixing two food colorings, blue and yellow. Now I have stirred it. Now we are going to make the powder which will make the explosion.
Can you bring it to the center so that it doesn't spill?
Sure.
So we are about to do that experiment. Oh.
Citric acid. Now time to put baking soda.
Okay.
Also half spoon. Time to stir it, then explode time.
Okay, let me focus. Okay.
3, 2, 1. Explosion 3, 2, 1. Go.
Literally was what? Centimeter, couple of centimeters maybe.